my dear code adventurers. Mia here. Today we're crafting a tiny Ren'Py and Python quest. Lists to show our party's names, functions to compute and return values, and player interactions plus menus to trigger code right inside dialogue. If you want the free source code, grab it on my itch.io. Link in the description. Now spin up Ren'Py, create a new project, open script.rpy, and let's master it all together. Meow! We start with init Python, a special Ren'Py block that runs at game initialization, perfect for placing our Python data and spells. This is our party list. We'll append the player's name so they're added to the roster.
Coders, assemble! We'll add our hero to stand beside us. Technically, we append the player's name, added to the end of the list, in place.
A proper fellowship. One list to greet them all.
Quick tip, lists live in square brackets with commas between names. Party ready! Ribbon of names. GreetPartyStr is a function that returns a single string. We use a comma space join on the party list to turn the names into one line. Mia, Emmy, Lyra. One line, no brackets. Indent the circle. Inside the function, we'll prepare the sentence, then return it as a value. Next line, all names equals comma space join party. We use that comma and space as the separator to make one string.
And now, the flourish. Return, hello, brave adventurers, all names. One single scroll of text.
Drum roll! Watch the one-liner appear. No brackets in sight. Return it, don't print it. So we can drop the line straight into dialogue later.
Circle of blessing plus forge spark.
Add mana is a function that returns one string. It adds base mana and bonus mana into final mana and tells you the total mana.
2 parameters in, base mana and bonus mana. We add them to make final mana, all in one place.
The F string inserts that number. You now have final mana points. The braces evaluate the value.
And we return that message. No print, no renpy.say, so the caller can use it later.
Teaser for later. We'll drop the returned string straight into a dialogue line. Easy magic.
Next, enchant blade returns a number, no text. That keeps things flexible. We can drop the value straight into a line of dialogue. See the default? Bonus equals 3. If we don't pass a bonus, the function uses 3 automatically.
Numbers are fine in Ren'Py. Brackets will drop the value into dialogue later.
Pure math magic. Base power plus bonus equals final power. Clean and display ready.
Example math. 12 plus 7 equals 19. The blade stands stronger.
Quick tip, in Ren'Py, square brackets mean interpolation. The value is evaluated first, then shown.
Stat ledger reveal.
Show hero stats, STR, combines the greeting plus the blade's final power. It calls GreetPartyStr inside, adds the hero's name and power, then returns a 2-line string shown in one dialog box.
Step 1. GreetPartyStr goes into greetline, our roll call string, ready to paste.
Step 2. Final power equals enchant blade of base blade power. Pure number, no text. Easy to reuse.
We return an F string. Greetline, \n, then hero name wields a blade with power. Final power. \n makes a new line in the same message.
Later, drop the returned string into a say line, stats info, and you'll see 2 lines in one dialog box, thanks to Ren'Py interpolation. We return the text, so the caller chooses when to show it. Clean code, clean UI.
Okay.
The start label party! Now, onto the main Ren'Py label, where our story begins. A simple line of dialogue sets the stage for the adventure.
Opening card. Done. One clean line to set the vibe.
This is a plain say statement, just narration, no variables yet. Click and we move on.
The curtain lifts. Adventure awaits.
Forward. Next, we ask our hero's name.
Pro tip, keep the opener string only. Brackets are for later when we drop values like hero name into text.
Here, we ask the player for their name, using renpy.input. If they type nothing, we call them Mysterious One, a classy fallback.
This pops a name prompt and stores what the player types in hero name.
If the string is empty, we replace it with a fallback name.
Want a pre-filled hint? Use default equals hero inside renpy.input.
You can even restrict characters, allow or exclude if your world forbids digits or symbols.
Once we've got a proper name, we'll append our hero to the party! Destiny calls!
Crucial step. We append the hero's name to party so they become part of our official roster. This changes our original list to include them.
Roster updated. Our hero is officially on the list.
Append adds to the end. Clean, predictable order.
Perfect. Now, when we greet the party, your name appears with ours in one line.
Then, in a single dialogue line, we embed the hero's name and the result of Greet Party STR. This shows, hello, brave adventurers. Mia, Emmy, hero name, all in one line.
A demonstration. Calling add mana returns, you now have X mana points. We store it in mana MSG and display it as a separate line of dialogue.
We call add mana with 10 and 5. It returns a ready-to-read string, so we stash it in mana MSG.
Store first, speak later. Mana MSG holds the text we'll show on the next line.
You could inline it with add mana 10-5, but a variable is clearer and easy to reuse.
Another quick example. We get a numeric return for sword power and show it in line with sword power. My blade grows ever stronger. Shuckle.
We call enchant blade with a base power and a bonus. It returns a number we can reuse.
Stored in sword power. Clean and clear.
Example math. 12 plus 7 equals 19. The blade stands stronger.
A crisp integer, ready to be shown to the realm.
Brackets insert the value right inside the dialog box. Sword power shows the number. No formatting spells needed. Numbers drop in just like text.
You can inline it too. Your enchanted sword is now enchant blade 12, 7 in power. But the variable is clearer.
Remember, the dollar line is a one-liner Python statement. The next quoted line is a say statement that displays text.
Calling show hero stats STR merges a greeting plus the hero's final blade power. We embed the result in a single dialogue. 2 lines appear in one message.
Stored in stats info, then shown with stats info. Those square brackets interpolate the returned text into the dialog box.
Behold the flourish! Inside that string, \n crafts a clean line break, so both lines appear in one message.
Crossroads of Choices.
Oh shit, here we go again.
This Ren'Py menu offers multiple paths. Each choice runs code or shows a function's return string right in the dialogue. For example, just greet again calls greet party STR in line.
Choose your path. Each option runs a tiny code action or shows a function's returned text right in the dialogue.
This line is the prompt. It's just a say-style string the menu uses to ask the question.
Inline call. We drop greet party STR right in brackets. Ren'Py evaluates it and inserts the text.
Because we appended you earlier, your name's already in the roll call.
Add more mana? Function returns a string. We store it in big mana MSG and show it next line.
No print spells. Brackets handle the display for us.
Enchant a bigger blade? This one returns a number. The brackets drop it into the dialogue as text. No special formatting required.
Result stored in bigger sword, then displayed inline. Clear and direct.
Thanks for watching. Quest complete. We built a reusable party list, returning functions for text and numbers, inline interpolation, and a menu that runs code right from dialogue. Nicely done! If this helped, subscribe for free and tell me in the comments what you want next. Inventory paging, battle UI, or save load tricks. Free source on my itch.io, link in the description. Special thanks to Bonbon Station for her special Meow cameo. Don't hesitate to check her channel too. Love you, and have a Meow blessed day.